First, look at the image on the screen and it will help you understand the typing from the top row. Let's learn typing character from the top row. Let's begin with the left hand first. Use pinky finger to type Q, ring finger to type W, middle finger to type E, index finger to type R, slightly stretch index finger to type T. Let's begin with the right hand. Stretch right hand index finger to type Y, index finger to type U, middle finger to type I, ring finger to type O, pinky finger to type P, slightly stretch pinky finger to type open bracket, again slightly stretch pinky finger to type close bracket, further stretch pinky finger to type backslash. Remember, in most of the new keyboard, backslash is given in the top row, but in older keyboard, it is given in the home row. So you can adjust which finger to be used by looking at the image shown on the screen.